Hello family and friends. I'm finishing my last New Year's project, and this is simply a popcorn container I got from the dollar store. And my theme is all black and gold. So I painted this in black before we got the rain. I didn't record it, but you guys know how to spray paint. And all I'm going to do is paint dots on it. So I did these dots the other day, and these are painted on, and I tried to get the dots to be like the solid gold. But then I thought, it's kind of cool to have these oddball patterns. So I thought, well, I'll try that, and I did this. So I'm going to do something a little bit different on this side. So all four sides will actually end up being a little bit different, but all black with gold dots. So let's do this side, and then we'll let it get to drying, and then I'll show you the last side. And then when we're up at the ranch at New Year's, I'll show you how it all came together. So I'm using this, it's called Dorado Gold. It is Chroma Molten Metals Metallic Acrylic. And that's what I've used to do these dots. So I'm just going to put some in my palette, and we're going to get started here. And I'm using the end of a pencil to get my little dots. Works out pretty good. So I'm going to come from this point. Look how perfect that was. Now I'm going to use my sponges, and I'm going to use the little circle first, and I'm going to put one right up here in this corner. And now I'm going to come down I really do want these to be a little more solid. I'll have to come back with the paintbrush. Now I'm going to use my bigger sponge. And I'm going to do a row right alongside. And again, with crafts, there's no right or wrong. There's just whatever you're enjoying doing. So that's a little different. Different than that. Different than that. So we'll let this set up for a little bit. Okay, for the last side, I think what I'm going to do is a spiral, and just with little dots. this is probably going to be time consuming, so and that finishes the New Year's Eve projects for this year. So make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.